All right, find the equation of a hyperbola with a center at 0, 0, a vertex at 0, 6, and a focus at 0, 10. So let's kind of sketch this out before we get the equation. Is this going to be opening upward or downward? Well, if our center is at 0, 0, we have a vertex at 0, 6. That means we'll have to also have a vertex at 0, negative 6. We can see that this is going to have to be opening upward and downward. It never even touches the x-axis, so there's no way it could be opening left and right. Now it also has a focus at 0, 10, so up a little bit higher, and that means there'll also be one at 0, negative 10. So just on that little sketch, we know that our y fraction is the one that's going to have to be positive because it's opening up and down rather than left and right. So we'll have the generic equation there will be y minus k, or y minus v squared divided by a squared minus x minus h squared divided by b squared is equal to 1. And so let's fill in our pieces of information. Now the center is at 0, 0, so we can kind of disregard our h and k because y minus 0 is just y. So we have y squared over something minus x squared divided by something is equal to 1. And so what are these somethings? Well, let's find out. It is going to be at our vertex, which is going to be on the y, the denominator for y, since that's where we're going to find our vertices here, is at 0, 6. So it's gone up 6. And so this a value squared, so divided by 36. Now as far as finding the x value, got to do a little more work for that one. Remember the distance from the center to the focus on a hyperbola, that's the longest of the kind of three distances of the a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And that is going to be a distance of 10. So that's going to be 10 squared, which is 100, is equal to a squared, which is 36, plus b squared. Now we just got to solve for whatever b is. Subtract 36 from each side, we have 64 equals b squared, meaning b is equal to 8, although really we want the b squared term because that's what our denominator here will be. So over 64. All right, hope that helped.